Good morning everyone. My name is Ansman. I did class 7. Today we are representing an science model on water filtration system.
Let's see our experiment. मैं स्विच चालू करती हूँ. What is water filtration?
Water filter is a system that removes impurities from water to make it clean.
What materials were used in this project?
This project is used in cardboard, colorful sheets, and water bottle, gravels, and pebbles, and cotton and charcoal, and switch, and pipe, and wood pumps.
Okay. What is the aim of your project?
The aim show how dirty water can be cleaned and made safe for us.
Why do you choose this project?
I chose this project because clean water is very important for our health.
Where can we use this filter?
At homes, at school and industry areas.
What is the uses of water filtration?
Water filter is used to remove impurities such as bacteria, chlorine, dirty water, and mud water, and heavy metals.